I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot, my last shot. We out here every day, ain't no other way.
What's up, everybody? Super stoked these came in. The Hagon shocks. I'm gonna unbox them and show you what they're looking like. So they're supposed to give me another inch of ground clearance. I'm really stoked on putting these on. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Should be an inch taller, no reservoir. Honestly, I don't really care about the reservoir. I mean, it looks cool, but it's a little cleaner personally. So stay tuned. And even before I got started, I had to get a special like Allen key for that bolt, which I didn't have. It's gonna be the, anyone who's wondering, Torx key, and it's gonna be the size T40. Except these hollow, I guess it's supposed to be a safety thing, but you can just go buy these things, so I don't really get the point. But I'm gonna loosen all the bolts, jack it up, and see how this goes. So the top bolt is gonna be the hex T40 size, and the bottom is gonna be 17 millimeter. So here's how you're gonna want to do this. You're gonna want to get some wood and some shims. I mean, I used painter sticks and a shim. Not the best idea, but so the wheel doesn't drop when you take the shock off. And then since the new shock is longer, you can go ahead and like pull one out one at a time so you get the height. So we'll see how that goes. So as you can see, both bolts are out and it still stays there. So as I did on the other side, I just had to wiggle it out a little bit. I also recommend strapping the bike down. I did not, but I recommend doing it. So I kind of just wiggled it. It comes out. Just be a little gentle with it. Top's gonna come out first. Same thing on the other side. And then just wiggle that out. And that's it. And that's why those pieces of wood are down there, so the wheel doesn't drop. And by putting them side to side, you can tell it's only an inch, but that's all I need. Okay, so now the new shock is too long, so I'm just gonna pull one of these out. Probably shouldn't have put that in so far. I guess I could slide that whole piece. Drop that. Okay, so after toying with that a little bit, I was pushing it in and these bushings were coming out, so I put a little bit of a waterproof grease on it, just a little bit, just so it would slide in without the bushings popping out. So I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll Loctite it, the nuts and screw, and be done. I didn't. I also almost held my fingers on the bushing as I was sliding it in. I just try to do it evenly on both sides. It's definitely kind of tough at first. But there you go. Just clean anything off that got on the threads, or I also always use just blue Loctite so you can take it off. So all I'm gonna do is just put a, that was probably too much, but washer, nut. Alright guys, I got the bike down. Shocks are on. I haven't been torquing anything down. You can say what you want about that. Just blue Loctite each bolt. Got them snug. I think it's looking really good. It's not too high. I think it's perfect. Just where I wanted it, so I'm really stoked on that. Hagon shocks out of the UK. They got here in like 4 days or something crazy, but yeah, let me know what you think. Hopefully I will stop with that. Get some new pegs on the way, but I think pegs, frame slider, and exhausts. That's gonna be it for now, because I am now probably broke. Alright, thanks for checking it out.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on